Today we're going to be changing the headlight bulb on our 2014 Ford Explorer. So what you do is come over here and you'll see a couple. This is the turn signal bulb and another light bulb right there, but it's behind this cover right here. So pop this cover out, there you go, and you can see right in there is your headlight bulb. So we're going to twist that down and I'm going to pull it out like this. Okay, being careful. And then I'm going to push this tab up, right? And my bulb is going to come out. Now let's go get our replacement bulb. We have our new bulb here, and be sure not to touch it because it'll lower the life of your bulb, okay? Or wear gloves. But I'm not going to touch it, but I am going to hook it back up. Okay, and snap it in. And now I'm going to put it in here in the hole. And then I'm going to twist it clockwise in the up position. And now let's test it. All right, let's put our cover back on. And it just goes around the sides like that. Also found if you press in the middle, it helps get it on. There we go, completely on. That'll prevent water from getting in there. If for any reason you get some water in there, it could short out your bulb. So if you want to do the driver's side, it's pretty much the same procedure. It's right over here. Just take the cover off. All right, and you can see your bulb is in there. And that's how you change out your light bulb on your 2014 Ford Explorer. If this video helped you, please click like and subscribe to our channel so we can show you how to make more fixes to your cars. Thanks for watching.